Hi cake friends, welcome back to another Wisdom Wednesday here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Today I'm going to show you guys how we put filling in our cake. I showed you guys how to stack and fill our cakes, but today we're going to put actual filling into our cake, and I'm going to show you guys how we do that without getting the filling to just kind of drip on all over the cake and come out and just be a mess. I'll show you guys my tips and tricks on how to fill our cake today. I'm going to put the camera up closer so you can get up close and personal with my cake today, and I'll show you guys all about filling that cake. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and let's get started. We are going to start out by putting our buttercream down so that our cake will stick. And then we're going to put our cake right here on the cake board. Make sure it's down and good. Okay. And then to start out with our filling, because we are filling our cake. So we just get a little buttercream here and we put it on the bottom. So it's a little different from when you're just, putting buttercream in the middle of a cake. So we're just gonna put a little layer of buttercream right here at the bottom. Then we're gonna get our buttercream in my piping bag. You don't have to have a tip on the bottom, you just cut it off a little bit and then there it is. And we are gonna pipe a little dam around the side of our cake here. This is where our filling is going to go, in the middle of our little dam that we're making. Today I'm making an mint Oreo cake for my son's birthday today. He loves anything mint and Oreo, and then I'm putting this yummy Oreo filling in the middle today. So you see that we made a little dam in the middle of our cake so that we can put our filling in safely, and it stays in, locked in that little dam of frosting. So we don't have it spilling out the sides and just being crazy, and that doesn't make anyone happy when you have filling going out the side. You don't need a ton of filling. Less is definitely more when you're putting filling inside your cake. So don't go too overboard with the filling. Make sure that you don't overfill it. All right, now we are gonna put another stack of cake right on top of our little dam that we made. Okay, then we're gonna do that process one more time. And when you're done adding the filling, you just put the top layer on, and there we have it. A nice filled cake, and then we just frost it the same way that we frost any other cake. It's just now filled with super yummy deliciousness.